How to create an invoice on Square. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create an invoice on Square. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the app of squareapp.com and simply sign into your account. And over here at the left side you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on Invoices and Payments. Click on it and you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to click on Invoices, and then here you're going to click on Invoices once again. And after that, you'll be redirected to the Invoices section. So here it says create your first invoice. If you haven't created any invoice yet, you'll be able to see the option of create invoice here at the center. If you have already created any others, so you'll be able to see create invoice option at the side. Click on create invoice and you'll be redirected to another interface that would look something like this. So first of all, you could add the customer details. Click on add customer, and then you can simply create new customer or just select the name, email address or phone number of any existing customer. And then you're going to type down the invoice title and then select the service date, that when is the invoice going to be issued or when was the invoice issued. So simply select the date and then you're going to select the invoice ID. If there is any specific ID of invoice or any specific serial number that you are, simply just following, you can add that over here, or you can just let the invoice ID be the default Square ID. And then click on message and type in any message, or you can simply ask the AI to write a message for you. And then here are the items. So you can add items over here. You can select any items that you have on your Square app right now in order to generate the invoice. And apart from line items, you can also attach files and custom field. So you can have attachments, custom fields, Square contracts. You can add them over here. And then over here at the right side, we have settings at a glance, Square Invoice settings applied. You'll be able to see your schedule over here, accepted payment methods, payment options, customer actions, share via email, reminders, and shipping. So once you're done with all of these, you can click on preview and preview your invoice. You can save as draft for the later use, or you can simply click on send and send the invoice right now. So that is basically how you can create invoices on Square app. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.